Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you can tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called connectivity and tap on it. And here select the Wi-Fi option. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. So if it's disabled, enable it. And now to connect to the Wi-Fi network, simply tap on the Add Network option. This will open the list of nearby networks, and you can select one from the list. For example, let's select this one. Enter the password, and you can enter it on the phone that is paired with your watch, or enter it on the watch if you want to. I'm gonna use enter on watch option, and now give me a couple of seconds. I'm gonna enter the passwords, or rather password. Okay, once you enter the password, it should start connecting to your network, and once it's done, it should say connected. You can go back to the Wi-Fi menu, and here you will see the network name, and it should say connected under it, which means that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. And to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply you can scroll down, find the option called Save Networks, tap on it, and here you have the list of networks that are already saved on your watch and you're connected to them. And you can tap on the X button next to one, then tap on Confirm to forget it, and this will disconnect you from this network. And if you have any networks saved beside the one you disconnected from, the watch will automatically connect to them. You can also forget the other one if you want to, but that's how you disconnect from the network. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.